Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have sy, s square, y square. They are the root number 2. So this is about homogeneous. And now I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. So we have dv over ds multiplied by s. This one we have number 1. So we have v. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. So y we need to change by vs. This one we change by this one. So this one we have v square s square. And this one we have vs square. That means we need to simplify s square for the both sides. Now number 2 will multiply by number 1 and v square. Now we divide both sides by v. So v I will put on the right, and we have negative v. 2v minus v, we have v. So we put 2 over v plus v go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So I will concentrate on this one. So we need to multiply by v on numerator and the denominator. And this one we have 2 plus v square. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to number 2 plus v square. And later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have 2v. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. V dv we change by du over number 2. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Now we have the condition. That means when s equals to number 2, y equals to negative number 1. So we put number 2 gone here and negative number 1 gone here. Number 2 gone here. So this one we calculate. And we have 9 over 4. This one we have Fn number 2. Next, we have the formula in here. So BFNA, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. We know that 8 to the power of 1 over 2, that is about the square root of capital of 8. So this one we have the square root of 9 over 4. And this one we have 3 over 2. Now we put Fn number 2 go to the left. And we have the formula in here. So this one we need to transform into this one. So we have 3 over 4. Now we need to go back in here. So we need to change C into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.